Introducing. Welcome back to my channel, and it feels so weird to say that because I have not uploaded a video in 6 months, and furthermore I have not done anything content wise in over a year. If you guys have been following me on social media, and if you haven't, don't worry, you can go ahead and follow me. I'll leave my name right here. I am a makeup artist, freelance makeup artist. I have been doing this for about 3 years, and I would say for the last 2 years I've been doing it super serious as far as business license, website, business cards, doing weddings, and all of that stuff. So that's really what I've been doing for the last year. I've done so many weddings. I have done really so many faces. 2017 was an amazing year for my business. So that is all for another video, but I just wanted to tell you guys that I have missed you so much, and I thought that maybe I should start a new channel because I'm a little over 500 subscribers, and I want to say when I left I did not have 500. I'm not really sure, and I'm not really sure how much of my audience is really sitting around waiting for me to make another video, but I decided to stick with this channel and continue to grow it and see where we can go. I'm ecstatic. I'm super excited. I got a lot of great content for you guys. I have makeup reviews, wig reviews, clothing hauls, shoe hauls, vlogging. I'm even going to get into vlogging in 2018, so it's going to be so amazing. So I hope that you guys stick around, and if this is the first time that you've watched my videos, then welcome to the family, because we are going to take it, we out of here. 2018, we over there. So tell a friend to subscribe to Tiana Nyrie's YouTube channel. If you are an old subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video because it's been so long. I wanted to get some things out of the way before we got to the wig review. I did not do a tutorial for this look because this is like my first video back in a year. So if you like this look and you want to see a tutorial for it, you want to see how I created it, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, yes, I would like to see a tutorial for this look. But in the meantime, in between time, I want to show you my inspiration for this look, and kind of came across this shirt, which this shirt is from Miss Rockwell's Racks. I'm kind of going to stand up so you guys can see it. You probably little ruffle action, little neck action. It's lace, completely see-through, so I do have on a bra. You will need to wear a bra with this shirt, but I love the detailing on the sleeves. Super cute. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And here is the back of it, which is similar detailing to the front. Well, make sure to leave the website to Miss Rockwell's Racks below in the description box, and I got a coupon code for you guys. Yes, first video coming out, coupon code. I've been styling a lot of their pieces lately, so not only do I have the kind of insider on some of the trendiest, hottest pieces that this brand carries, I also have a coupon code for you guys, and that will be listed down below. So make sure that you check out their website, you use my coupon code so you can get 20% off at checkout. And yeah, so on to this makeup look. So I didn't have a look in mine, but I knew I wanted to use the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I love that palette. The colors are so freaking pigmented. Love that palette. So I came across this on my feed. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get into the whole purpose of this video, which is the review of this wig that I'm wearing right now. And this wig is called Bia, and she is from the Red Carpet collection, and it's a synthetic lace front. I already cut the lace off, And for my future wig reviews, I am going to be doing like straight out of the package, putting it on, showing you how I style it, because I do get a lot of questions on how I style my wigs and things of that nature. Even though I'm not really all that good at it, I just do what I feel fits my face best. So I can definitely show you guys. I will insert a clip of how I first wore this wig when I got it. A hot mess, okay? I definitely was not trying to do any of this stuff that I did today, which I definitely tried to blend it in with my hairline as best I could. If you guys can see, the parting space is really good on this wig. I did not have to pluck this wig at all. I did add some powder to the parting, and I also used some black eyeliner just right in the front of it to try to blend the hairline as best that I could. But I think this looks so much better than what it looked when I first put it on, and I think that was the reason that kind of turned me off from this wig. So the pros of this wig is that the hair is super duper comfortable, minimal shedding. I've experienced little to no shedding with this wig. It's pretty much easy out of the package. There's a little bit of manipulation that you have to do to the part and that kind of stuff, but for the most part, once you cut the lace on, you just putting her on and you know, you're pretty much good to go. I'm kind of glad that I did this review for you guys because I gave this wig like a second chance. So that's about it for Bia. Like I said, in the future, I do plan on styling the wigs on camera because I know that a lot of people like that a little bit more than actually me coming on here telling you what I like with the wig already styled. And as always, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I am so super excited to be back, guys. Click the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. And until my next video, be blessed and fabulous always.